My intuition's tell.
Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining us, hello, my name's Natalie. This is my channel, Music2makeup. Today I'm going to be unboxing, unbagging my traditional Ipsy Glam bag for the month of April. Oh, I got mine pretty late. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, then keep on watching. So traditional Ipsy is $12 a month. I haven't gotten my Ipsy Plus yet though. I usually get that one first, but no, I did. But I thought it was for March and it was actually for April. That's right, because it was the same design as this bag and I think it's hideous, but whatever. So let's get right into it. Force of Nature, here we go. Ooh, May is the Glam Bag X is going to be Khloe Kardashian's and Ipsy's collaboration. Alright, the first product is this Nomad Cosmetics and Sydney Bather's Kiss of Sun highlighter in Balmoral Beach. Okay, so full size of this is $27. This is a deluxe sample, it says, and I can't open it. I have gotten a Nomad highlighter from Ipsy before, and they're pretty good. Here is what it looks like. It's like a goldish peach. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, it's definitely like a golden peach, I want to say. You can see that. Alright, I like that. It's really soft too. Moving right along. Alright, next is this Goldfaden MD Wake Up Call Overnight Regenerative Facial Treatment. So this treatment gives you a boost so you can wake up glowing. It contains retinol to smooth lines, coenzyme Q10 to fight free radicals, and avocado and grapeseed oils to deeply hydrate your skin while you sleep. Full size is $85. This is a deluxe sample. Doesn't look very deluxe to me. I have quite a few overnight masks, so probably won't be using this. Probably going to give away, or I will give it away to somebody. Next is this Kokie Cosmetics Cover and Conceal Beauty Sponge. Alright, this is full size obviously, and it retails for $5. Oh, not bad at all. But let's feel it. I'll always take a beauty sponge. Okay. It's definitely soft. I hate when they're like super, super hard. I think it has promise. Happy about that. Moving on. Would you like to come say hi, Mom? Okay. I hate when they send these little like mini palettes. Alright, this is the PYT Upcycle Eyeshadow Palette in Warm Lit Nude Mini. I'm not going to swatch it because I will put it in a giveaway. Full size is $28. Apparently this is a deluxe sample. And the last product is what I'm definitely most excited for. And it is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Mini Eye Primer. So this water resistant primer creates a smooth base for your, well, we all know what an eye primer does, but I have been wanting to try this actually. Full size is $13. Oh, that's really not bad for a full size eye primer. Let's see what, ooh, I was expecting it to be thicker and I just put way too much on my hand. Okay, it's thicker and creamier than it looked. It looked a little watery, but it's, ooh, definitely not. Ooh. That, I think, is going to be a really good eye primer. I've just been using concealer for eye primer. I can't tell you the last time I used an actual eye primer, but I'm definitely going to be using this. Alright, reflection time. Excited about this? The sponge and the highlighter. I mean, those are definitely worth more than $12, so I can't complain, even though I will complain about these two products. No, it's alright. It is what it is. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do I have my cards? Let me go get my cards and I will pull one. Here we go. This is the deck I wanted. The Goddess Guidance Oracle cards. These are hard to shuffle because they're so big. They're so pretty though. Like, you can see the gold. Okay, we have, I don't know if it's Coventina or must be Coventina, okay. And it is purification. It's time for a cleansing detoxification of your body and mind. Let me go to my little booklet. This message comes as a help and not as an affront or a criticism. Your vessel has become clogged by overuse of harsh chemicals, and the offending source is within your psyche. You've been ignoring your body's many signals and screams for relief from the steady ingestion of impurities. Perhaps you've also noticed a slump in your energy level, and your degree of joy has lagged as well. Damn, this card's reading my mind. Never mind these past effects, though, as the solution is at hand right now. Now that you've heard this message, do not hesitate for even a moment to make new arrangements. You'll want to keep a sharp focus on the contents of your mind and speech as well, for the words you think and speak are the very diet that supports or thwarts you. Choose purity, and I promise you a changed outlook for the better. Various meanings of this card. Follow your intuition's guidance about making lifestyle changes. Stop abusing alcohol or drugs. Avoid processed foods such as sugar, white flour, and so on. Eat more organic foods. Keep your thoughts and speech positive. Adopt a vegetarian or vegan diet. Hell no. Go on a fast or detox diet. No, thank you. All the other stuff I can do, but all right, let's see what we have. Maeve. Cycles and rhythms. Honor the cycles of your body, energy levels, and emotions. All of life is cyclical. The moon, the stars, and the very universe. Life inhales and then exhales again. So why should you be surprised or upset that you too have cycles? There are times when you feel energized, awake, and alive. There are other times when you feel isolated and shy. Your body too goes through pronounced cycles and changes. Celebrate these rhythms and embrace them as the essence of your lifeblood that courses through you. Various meanings of this card. Female gynecological changes are an issue for you. Make time to rest. Initiate steps to alleviate depression or lethargy. So clearly, these cards are trying to tell me a message that I'm tired and depressed, which I already knew, but take better care of your body. Seek support for dealing with emotional crises. Allow yourself to grieve or take time off. Know that this lull won't last forever. And a doorway of opportunity has opened up and you need to walk through it now. All right. I don't know if these messages related to any of you. They definitely related to me, but if they did, let me know in the comments. All right, guys, I love you. I will see you in my next video.